We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this down move, we mentioned if you get any trade for buy, we will take it. We discuss how we can look for trade. Anyway, most of the chart, if we refer the crypto market, we see the bull market for today. And this is what we get. Now, for those traders, they get the trade at least move their stop loss to break even, because this is where we could see the divergence, and this is where we could look for buy, and the price couldn't break 0.13. This is with what we discussed in my last analysis. Now, the question is whether we can expect to get similar to what we have here for as a running flat for one move up. That means we can look for extension, or we can expect to get one more drop. That's why for those traders, they get the trade within this one. If they want to keep the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even. And how about if you move to daily chart? And the only question is, based on daily chart, the price couldn't break 0.138, almost near to that, but we see the reversal. Now the only thing is whether we can look for continuation or not. If we're looking to continuation, at least we need to see the breakout of 0.18. Okay, this is the only things we can discuss based on daily chart. We have nothing else. And if we move to forward chart, all right, still this is what we can discuss, whether the price can is going to retest 0.18, or this one can turn to a correction in relative to this for one more drop for bigger picture before we get the next move. All right, that's why for those traders, they get the trade within this one, they should know how to manage it in case we get one more drop. But based on forward chart, we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. The only times we can look for buy, if we get the correction here, we can look for the next move. All right, now how to look for the trade. If I move to 1 hour chart, if we want to look for buy, at least we need to get the flag or correction similar to what we have here, either flag or this one tend to a running flat. This is where we can look for the next bull, next buy, and at least we can look for 0.18 as a target. We want to see whether the price can break the previous stop or not, but right now we cannot simply buy. And the only times you can look for sell, if the price drop as a sharp move following by flag or correction, this is where we can put our entry below this for one more drop, because at that case, we look at this one as a correction relative to this. We are not really interested to look for sell, but if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. Because as I mentioned, most of the chart for the crypto market, we see the prices start to move. That's mean we get the opportunity to look for buy. And right now we're looking for the next trade. But at this time, I don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. And again, if I move to 1 hour forward chart, you want to see whether we can look for continuation or not. All right. In this case, we just follow the chart. The only update is for those traders, they get the trade within this one. If they refer to my last analysis, either take with the trade in the profit or move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.